Cheesecake might just be my favorite dessert, and it all starts with that buttery graham cracker crust that I love so much. So that was 120 grams of graham cracker crumbs mixed with 60 grams of melted butter. Then just add it to a greased and lined 8-inch springform pan and press it into the bottom. You'll also want to line the outside with some parchment paper and then set that aside. So for the filling, it's 400 grams of softened cream cheese and 120 grams of granulated white sugar. Once that's combined, add 200 grams of sour cream and mix it all up again. Then it's time to add 150 mils of heavy cream and again mix it all up. So next is 2 eggs. You know the drill, mix it up, not too much though. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and then it's time for some flavor, which is vanilla extract, as well as a little bit of lemon juice. So you can also add some lemon zest if you want a bit more of a lemony flavor. So then just pour that into your prepared pan and shake it to even out the top. And since we're cooking this in a bain-marie, you need to cover the bottom with some aluminum foil so that no water gets in. Then into a baking tray and pour a bit of water in the bottom. Bake at 350 for 40 to 45 minutes, then after it's cooled, you can top it with raspberry coulis.